Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I decided to get the Glam bag, the Ipsy Glam bag. I haven't had the Ipsy Glam bag in well over a year, maybe even 2 years. I used to get it, I used to love it, and then they changed their prices and now they've changed their prices again. So I got this, I paid for it by the year, so I got a great deal on it. It's going to $14 a bag, and then they charge $1.99 for the handling. So it'll be $16 a bag, and I paid it by the year, so I got a great deal. So I love the new bag. This is really cute. I love the, the color and everything. All right, so, I should have opened this first because sometimes these are hard for me to open. The glue is very good. Ouch. Okay. Anyway, since I ordered this in November, this is the November bag, and since I ordered it in November, then you do get the November bag, and they let me pick. At least I think they did. I got this email that said something about picking, and then I wasn't sure if it was real or not. I can't explain it. But anyway, this is the bag. It's super cute. It was purple or it was pink. And it is like a velvet, and it has gold trim, gold handle. This is cute, for you to just, a wristlet. Basically, it's a wristlet. Really cute. Now, I don't know, are there 5 products in here? Because there's nothing in this bag, I don't think. Nope, it's all in here. I did get a card. Let's see. What does the card say? All right, I just got a card. I didn't get a card with information on it about what's in my bag. This tells you about the glammiest show on earth, which I decided to call the glammiest show on earth for November. And a lot to be thankful for. This is very nice, some 5 things to be thankful for. And on the back, shop our glamorous gifts. They have the advent calendar, which I will be opening very shortly in December. I have already opened it. I received it from Betty Vick, a subscriber, a good friend. And I did open it already. And I will be opening it daily in December. There's also the 8-day holiday calendar from Kate Somerville that looks fantastic, y'all. $440 value. It doesn't say the price here, but I'm thinking it was either $79 or $89. They have some mystery bags right now. They have all kinds of stuff on sale right now. So that's what this card is about. So let's see this bag. This bag is cute. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. There are 5 things in here. I can't believe it because they're so tiny. Okay, this bag is cute. It's lined. I like that it's lined. And then it does say Ipsy right here. Hey, Camille. I like when the bag tells us that it's Ipsy, whether it's on the zipper pull or somewhere. So this is cute. Cute. I like that. All right. So I have 5 things, and they did, let me see. No, nothing in here is what I picked. I sort of thought that they don't let you pick the first time, but I got this email, and then when I went to try to pick, it said something about finish your order or something, because you could do add-ons, and it wouldn't let me finalize it, or I don't know. I had trouble with it, so I figured that it, but what they showed me was the Ahava mask and an Ahava mask. The company Verify or something like that, skincare, which I'm not real fond of. I've only ever had eye cream from them before. There was a Shades by Shan black. It was called Tapioca Pearl eyeliner, gel eyeliner, and that's what I thought I was picking, but it's not in here. There was Manicadar, a roll-on eyeshadow, and it was powdery. It was odd. There was a mascara from a company that I don't support. There was a hair mask, a company I don't remember. Ace Beauty lip gloss. I have so many lip glosses. There was Gold Fadden MD. There was a lip treatment. And I've had everything from Gold Fadden, but I've never had a lip treatment. There was Diana's brand hand cream in peppermint, which was sort of nice for Christmas time. But this is what I got. These are the tiniest things ever. So I do like this. We get this a lot in Ipsy. I've gotten this a million times. This is a finishing powder, and it is, let me see, where is my magnifying glass? It's Watermelon Burst Setting Powder. from, I should know what the company is because it's CatLady London. And it is a nice finishing powder. It looks white, but it's supposed to go on everybody's skin the same, just to finish off your makeup. So, and it's cute when you open it. There's a little bow tie of dots where things come out. I'm not going to open it right now because I probably have one opened already. Okay, let's calm down. Let's calm down. And then I have from Beauty Stat, this is a Universal C Skin Refiner, all skin types, for all skin types, 20% vitamin C. Now, y'all, this is a sample size. You can see how tiny it is, okay? There's only this much in here. It's filled not even halfway. A bit disappointing, but what are you gonna do? And it is sealed, so I'm not gonna mess with it right now. But Beauty Stat is a very good line and expensive line. And then we have Estate. Now this is a liquid liner. Oh, this is in blue. Estate brand. This is a liquid, precision liquid liner in midnight blue. This is shrink wrapped. So if I can open it, I'm going to show you. I may have to come back. 4 out of 5 products were shrink wrapped. So I did take them all out of the shrink wrap. All right, Estate brand. Now, let's see. This is a blue. You can see it's blue. And this has like a, you know, usually what holds the liquid is like a sponge kind of a thing. That's up to here. That's a little disappointing. But anyway, let's see. I will use a blue eyeliner for sure. Oh, that's really pretty. Very pretty. And the precision is good on it and all. I like it. I like it. I like it. Okay. And then I have 2 other items here. This one is a lippy. And this is by the company that I don't know the name of because they have letters that are like, it looks like a Q, but it's an O. I think it's Bappa Ribaldi or something. I've seen it before, but I don't know. So I'm sorry that I don't know how to say it. But it's right there, and you won't be able to see it anyway because of the glare. But this turns out to be a lippy. First I thought that it was going to be like a dark gray shadow, but it's a lippy, and it's a lippy that I will like. So I'm gonna use it. I like it. Sort of similar to what I have on right now. I have so many lippies open, y'all. So many. Anyway, and then I have the brand Belle in Argent. That's a great brand, and I have no idea what this is. No idea. It says, oh, I should tell you on that lippy, the color is Divina. Okay. This says Lauren B608. So it sounds like a lippy to me. Let's see what it is. Oh, maybe it's an eyeliner because it's dark. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's pretty. It's like a dark chocolate. All right, blue. If I'm showing you, can't do that. Sit. All right. Sit down, lovey. Sit, sit, sit. That's very pretty. On my skin, it's very pretty, but it's hard to see. It looks darker than it draws. Oh, maybe not. It has a good sheen to it. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Okay. All right. Sit, sit, sit. CatLady London. I did not open it. This is the Watermelon Burst, I think is what it's called. Yeah. The setting powder. And we got the Beauty Stat Universal C. Half full. We've got this beautiful. I will use this. Very pretty. Right there. And the lippy. I like the lippy. And the eyeliner. Hey, I was gonna say I got all makeup. No, I got one. Hey, I got 4 makeups. I'm excited about that. I'm excited about that. Anyway, y'all, what do you think of my last minute bag of November bag? The bag itself is super cute. Pink it's pretty and all, but I would have liked purple better. But you know, it's cute. It's soft. It's really soft and furry. Cute. Anyway, so thanks for stopping by to see what I got in my, not really late. It's not late because of Ipsy. It's late because I just joined. a short time ago. So thank you to Ipsy for sending this to me, for the great deal they gave me. And I hope if you want to join anything, if you can afford to do a year, you're always going to save some good money. And that's what I did. And I do have a link below if you want to sign up under me. I think they give you points, like 600 points, and they give me 600 points. And sometimes they give more than that. If it's a deal going on, they'll give 1,800 points, but that's not going on right now. So that's it. So thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings, everybody. I'll take a picture of these things and put them on Instagram. All right, bye-bye.